advisors who deep down really want a purpose and want to do, live their life with tons of intention, I want to help them do that. I just remember thinking, like, how do more people not understand what financial advisors do and how they help people? Because, obviously our situation could have been very much lessened. And so when I went back to work, it was like, this is what I want to do. I want to make sure that people understand what good financial advice can do for them. And so I started helping out advisors and doing their marketing. And it's funny, but this, the scariest time in my life ended up being this wake-up call to my purpose. And like a lot of advisors, it was my leap into financial services, but I just didn't know it yet.
Here's the thing. Trying to be all things to everyone is like shouting into the void. You end up just getting lost in the noise, but when you niche, you become a beacon for your ideal clients. They're looking for someone who speaks their language and knows their pain points and offers tailored solutions. It's about making your marketing efforts count, not just casting a wider net and hoping for the best.
How I simplify kind of the omni-channel experience for advisors is talking about the 3 legs of the stool, right? The 3 legs of the marketing stool. And for me and my advisors, that's social media, thought leadership, and speaking engagements. So what are you doing in social media? What are you getting out there in thought leadership? What are you doing for thought leadership? And what are you doing to get in front of clients face to face? Because when you have those 3 kind of legs of the stool, they actually feed each other.
Focusing on a niche and focusing your business actually strengthens your market position, right? When you find a niche and when you know exactly who you're serving, you know how to cater to them, how to talk to them, how to find them, right? It just makes selling so much easier.
Advisors are still doing tons of cold calling, hustling, networking events, and some people just love that hunt, but it is exhausting, right? And there is, building a personal brand can get you there a little bit easier.